Hi everyone, this is week 3's discussion question in History Before 1500. We were asked to talk about how the hierarchies of gender and social class shaped ancient civilization. I really looked into ancient Egypt, and come to find out, I actually learned quite a bit about it. In ancient Egypt, it was actually somewhat equal for men and women. Which is very rare, obviously, in most of the ancient societies. A few of the things that they did have was legal rights and freedoms. They were able to take cases to court. They were able to be an active priestess. And in terms of hierarchies, they were even a pharaoh. Women were allowed to own a third of the land that they accumulated with their husband. They were allowed to divorce and own their own land as well, which I didn't realize any society had any of that. Back then, I really thought kind of everywhere women were considered property of men. But yeah, so I actually learned a lot this week. I hope everyone else did, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.